touch. Left turning box and half, face the wall. Twirl line three, through face closed, waltz away and solo turn six. Step swing, face touch, balance left and right. Waltz away, through twinkle twice. Pick up, and box. Dip back and hold, recover touch. Forward waltz, drift apart, twinkle out, and into a pickup. Two left turns, canter twice. Lace up. Hip closed and box. Dip back and hold. Recover the sidecar. Twinkle to banjo. Maneuver. Two right turns. Twisty balance left and right. Twisty line three. Forward face closed. Left turn box a half. Face center. Step forward and point. Back and touch. Left turning box a half. Face the wall. Twirl line three. Through face closed. Waltz away and together. Solo turn six. Step swing. Face touch. Balance left and right. Waltz away. Through twinkle twice. Pick up. And box. Dip back and hold. Recover touch. Forward waltz. Drift apart. Twinkle out. And into a pickup. Two left turns. Canter twice. Lace up. To closed and box. Dip back and hold. Recover the sidecar. Twinkle to banjo. Maneuver. Two right turns. Twisty balance left and right. Twisty mind